In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Gallery Lab on Samsung. So if you're having a Samsung phone, whether Samsung A series or the X20 series versions or X series or Samsung devices, you'll be able to enable the Gallery Lab on your Samsung phone to add more features to your Samsung phone gallery. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn on or enable Gallery Lab on Samsung, all you need to do is open the Gallery application on your phone. Then click on this menu option, select settings. If you check through the gallery settings, you discover that the Gallery Lab is missing. You see this? Now the first one to go ahead and do is make sure you connect to your Samsung device to the internet, and then just scroll down like this and make sure you toggle on mobile data or connect to Wi-Fi. After that, click on About Gallery. Once you hit About Gallery, you should see the gallery version you installed on your Samsung phone. Now, to enable the Gallery Lab on your Samsung device is just keep tapping this version. Then once you tap this, you see Gallery Lab will be enabled. So if it is not enabled, just keep tapping until you see what that says the Gallery Lab is enabled. So once you see Gallery Lab is enabled, you then need to stop tapping the version. Then hit the back button once. Then if you scroll down a bit, then you should see the Samsung Gallery Lab enabled. Then open it, and then here are the features of the Gallery Lab. Here are all, so under the Gallery Lab, you have access to all features, different features. Here, then you can just play around the Gallery Lab to configure your Samsung Gallery to your needs. So this is how to turn on or enable Gallery Labs in Samsung Galaxy devices. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.